Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to software update your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for the option name device care. Now scroll down and there is a additional care, there is a software update. So enter here and you can click the download and install the update. So now phone is checking for the updates. As you see, my software is up to date, but if you don't have the software up to date, there will be information about the install of the software. So you can actualization your software right here and see the difference about the new software of your phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey.